China's new AI robot just broke a human skill barrier. China just built a robot that broke a human skill barrier, something humans spend years mastering, and no humanoid has ever done before. While most robots lift boxes or wave at people, this one stitched a logo live on stage, thread, needle, fabric and all, without a single error. It sounds simple, but this is one of the hardest tasks ever attempted by a machine. At the same time, robots in the US casually interact with humans, handing out gifts, recognizing objects, and even conversing, showing that humanoids are entering a new era where skill, intelligence, and adaptability merge. At first glance, it might seem like a simple trick, but this task, requiring two hands, continuous adjustment, and precise coordination, has been considered practically impossible for robots. Industrial robots excel at repetitive, rigid tasks, but soft, flexible materials like fabric have always been a nightmare. And yet, here it is, a humanoid performing long, intricate tasks in real time. Meanwhile, across the world in the US, robots are quietly mastering human-like interaction, handing out gifts, responding to questions and picking the right object from a set, all while operating in dynamic environments. The era of humanoids learning, adapting and performing complex tasks is no longer science fiction. It's happening right now. The embroidery breakthrough, a human skill mastered. On December 22, 2025, Tar Robotics unveiled their humanoid robot on stage performing hand embroidery live. This wasn't some pre-programmed motion sequence. The robot actively threaded a needle, stitched a logo, and adjusted its grip in response to subtle changes in the fabric. If you've never stitched anything yourself, you might not realize the complexity. Thread stretches, tangles, or breaks. Fabric deforms with every movement. The needle must pass through tiny, moving holes repeatedly, and the robot has to coordinate both hands independently while keeping everything aligned perfectly. One mistake could ruin the pattern instantly. For decades, this kind of task was seen as impossible for machines, and even the most advanced industrial robots couldn't handle deformable materials without failing. Tar Robotics' demonstration is a historic milestone because it moves humanoids into a domain where human dexterity and soft material manipulation were thought irreplaceable. And it's not just embroidery. The implications are huge. Once a robot can perform this task, it can also handle wire harness assembly, precision electronics, fine mechanical assembly, and other delicate industrial processes that rely on skilled human hands. This is the future of robotics, entering highly skilled labor sectors. The AI driving this leap: data, physics, and embodiment. Tar Robotics CEO, Dr. Chen Yolun, explained the breakthrough with something he calls the data, AI, physics trinity. Traditionally, robot training and physical operation have been treated separately: collect data, train AI models, deploy robots. But Tar Robotics merged all three into one continuous feedback loop, allowing robots to learn more generalized physical skills, not just one task. Here's how it works. SenseHub platform collects high-fidelity, real-world operational data, including force, motion, and environmental variations. The AI engine, AWE 2.0, learns generalizable physical skills: balance, coordination, vision under uncertainty, force control, and manipulation of soft materials. Skills transfer seamlessly to humanoids, meaning what the AI learns in simulation or training actually works in the real world. This approach is radically different from past robotics training, where AI would master a single predefined task and fail outside narrow conditions. Tar Robotics' system learns adaptable, transferable skills, effectively shortening the gap between digital intelligence and physical execution. Rapid progress. From startup to live demos. The timeline is astonishing. Tar Robotics was founded on February 5th, 2025, and within under a year, they went from concept to live demos. Investors took notice immediately. The company raised $120 million in an angel round, $122 million in an angel plus round. This rapid progress signals that humanoid robotics, capable of complex, delicate tasks, are no longer years away, they're here. Humanoids in the US everyday interaction. While Chinese humanoids focus on industrial skill, US companies are improving robots' everyday interaction and perception. Figure A, I's latest humanoid, Figure 03, demonstrates this clearly. In a casual video, the robot answers questions about itself. Where were you built? San Jose, California. Explains its generation. I am part of the third generation. Performs object recognition. Selects medium and large shirts from separate baskets, handing them correctly to a human. Even with minor speech latency of 2 to 3 seconds, Figure 03 shows the level of human-like intelligence now possible in robots. It's smaller, lighter, and safer than previous versions, capable of smooth movement, quick turns, and even running, making it a versatile assistant in homes or workplaces. Consumer robotics. Robot dogs selling out. Humanoids aren't the only breakthrough. Consumer-grade AI robots are flying off shelves. Vita Dynamics' AI-powered robot dog, V-Bot, was priced at roughly $1,368 for early bird sales, and within 52 minutes, over 1,000 units sold. The robot is fully autonomous, on-device AI processing. Depth vision and LiDAR for spatial awareness, able to tow 100 kilograms and navigate independently. Wireless charging and fast USB-C support. This isn't a gimmick. It shows that embodied AI at consumer scale is viable, with real demand validating the industry's growth. Industrial robotics, humans being replaced. Factories are also adopting humanoids for skilled labor. CL, the world's largest EV battery maker, launched Xiaomo, a humanoid handling critical battery production tasks in Henan, China. Xiaomo performs end-of-line testing, internal resistance measurements, wiring harness connections. The robot achieves over 99% connection success, matches human cycle times, and monitors connections in real time to reduce defects. It can switch to inspection mode during downtime, maximizing efficiency while maintaining quality. In practice, Xiaomo handles nearly 3 times the daily workload of human workers, proving that humanoids can scale in both capability and volume for industrial applications. Global robotics, Atlas on the world stage. Looking forward, one of the most iconic humanoids, Atlas by Boston Dynamics, is set to demo publicly at CES 2026 in Las Vegas, backed by Hyundai. Hyundai plans $34 billion in AI investment from 2026 to 2030. A US robot manufacturing plant will produce 30,000 units per year. Atlas has already been used in Hyundai EV plant pilot demos. From MIT's early leg lab experiments to modern factory-ready humanoids, Atlas represents decades of progress, highlighting the speed and scale of humanoid evolution. Why this matters. Beyond novelty. From hand embroidery to factory assembly, humanoids are mastering tasks humans trained years to perform. What used to be impossible is now achievable because robots can adapt to unpredictable materials, coordinate multiple limbs in real time, transfer learned skills across environments. This is not just technological progress, it's a paradigm shift. Robots are moving from scripted automation to embodied intelligence, capable of solving problems humans cannot efficiently manage alone. Implications. Across industries manufacturing, high-precision assembly, electronics and battery production, consumer products, household assistants, robot pets, and interactive companions. Safety-critical environments, hazardous task automation without risk to humans. Humanoids are expanding the concept of labor and redefining productivity in a world where AI and robotics collaborate with humans instead of replacing them entirely. The future of humanoid AI. The combination of embodied AI, real-time perception and skill transfer marks a new frontier. The next wave of robots won't just lift, move, or interact. They will learn complex tasks, generalize their skills, and operate autonomously across multiple domains. Imagine robots assisting surgeons with delicate procedures, building intricate electronics with zero errors, learning new assembly lines without human reprogramming. This is the real promise of humanoid AI. The technology is moving so fast that the gap between research labs, industrial applications, and consumer products is shrinking rapidly. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in AI and robotics. Turn on notifications to catch every major humanoid demo and comment below. Would you trust a robot handling delicate tasks at your home or workplace? Remember, the future isn't coming, it's already here. And these robots, they're just getting started. Check out the recommended video on your screen now for more mind-blowing AI advancements, and we'll see you in the next one.